Sometimes it's the smallest upgrades that make the biggest difference in rider comfort, and that's exactly what this ergonomic thumb shifter pad is designed to do. This pad adds a more cushioned contact point for your thumb, helping reduce fatigue on longer rides, while also improving overall shifting comfort. It's made from a 6mm thick dual-layer EVA foam construction, features a strong adhesive backing to keep it locked in place, and comes in a variety of accent colors to add a subtle pop to your controls. Getting it installed is quick and straightforward. Start by cleaning the surface area with an alcohol prep pad and letting that dry. Then, apply the included adhesion promoter to the same area. Once that's dry, peel back the backing film, line the pad up with your thumb shifter, and press it firmly into place, applying even pressure to make sure it's fully adhered. It's one of those quick upgrades that doesn't take much time, but makes a noticeable difference every time you ride. To grab one for your own ride, click the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay plugged into everything on 3 wheels. We'll see you out on the road.